Hi everybody, I'm back with my yearly video. I know I'm really bad at doing the videos, but I'm here. Everything's good, I'm okay. I hope you're all okay. Today I want to do an unboxing on a new wig that I just got. It's Hesperis wigs, I think that's how you pronounce it. I got it from a company called wellwig.com, and I will link it down below. What I received is a deep wave lace front human hair wig, 150 density, medium cap, and it has a 13 by 6 inch lace front. So this company was recommended to me by my friend Emma B. She has a YouTube channel that she just began, and she's doing pretty well with it so far, so go and check her out. Her channel is called The One, and I will link it down below. Alrighty, hi Emma. Okay, so I received my package today from DHL. This came in the DHL packaging, and it comes in this box. It says Hesperis, your best choice, 100% human hair. On the back, it has some important notes about the hair. Anyway, so yes, it comes in this nice little box. I did open it and look at it when I was at work, but I put it all back in, and I wanted to do an unboxing to show you guys. So look at this together. Alrighty, well, you get your wig caps, which are always great to have. That's the only other thing in the box, excuse me, besides the wig, which comes packaged in the big Ziploc bag, like most of them usually are. It does have a little non-hanging hang tag that just says what it is: 100% human hair, 24-inch natural color. Alrighty, so let's take this baby out and take a look at her. Guess I could have had it open already. Okay, so we have the net, which Emma calls the lunch lady netting. Oh, this is really pretty. My husband's gonna love this. He's been wanting me to get curly hair, so I think this is gonna do it. And this is 24-inch. Let me take the paper out of here. And we'll look at the cap construction. This is really pretty. I can't wait to put her on. Doesn't really, it smells like baby doll hair. That's not a bad thing, I guess. It does have, well, here, let me do the, show you the inside first of all. As I said, it's a 13 by 6 cap, lace front cap, and you can see that parting. That's awesome. Comes with the 2 combs at the temple, the elastic straps in the back, and the 3rd comb in the back. And this is the cap on the back. Oh, and it has a little bit of lace on the back here, so you can, with baby hairs. Oh, cool. So if you want to put it up, I don't know if you can see that or not. No, it's kind of dark against me. But all right, now let's get the outside. Baby hairs, and it looks like it's not really going to require any plucking or anything. There's my hand underneath. And I'm going to put the white paper back in so you can see it really well. Look at that, guys. That looks great. I can't wait to get this going. I think she's going to be a winner. Alrighty, so like I said, I I wanted to show this to you all, and I will be back with it installed and let you know how I feel about it. I think it's going to be a hit. Alrighty, so once again, Hesperis hair from wellwig.com, and I will link it down below. I think they have a coupon code right now, BK18. I believe that's what it is. I will put that in the description below also. So keep an eye out for my next video. I will not wait a week to do it. I mean a year to do it. Hopefully I will have it done in another day. So God bless you all. Invite your friends to take a look at my channel. Don't forget to check out Emma B, the one. And God bless you. See you later.